I worked in nursing for about 6 years. I was a nurse tech, and through that time at the hospital, I realized that I wasn't getting the satisfaction out of my care. I didn't get to see the patients through their entire process, and with occupational therapy I get to actually be with them every step of their way.
So actually my senior year of high school I got to help aid at an occupational therapy pediatric clinic, and I don't know, I just fell in love with it, getting to work with kids, and just I knew it was what I wanted to do for the rest of my life.
I really wanted to be a teacher when I was younger, and then I realized teaching doesn't make as much money as I thought it might make one day, but I liked the idea of working with children and just helping people. And my cousin actually is an OTR, so a registered occupational therapist, and she kind of had the same path as me where she wanted to be a teacher, and then she was like, and then she went into nursing, but that didn't seem exactly like the hours with nursing and just everything that involves there. And she was like, why don't you do OT? And I was like, what is that? And then I realized what it is, and it's really great.
I would love to work in the hand clinic. I mean, I have two options, but I would love to try the hand clinic and maybe later geriatrics.
I'm hoping to go into the school system. I want to work with a younger age in at least pre-K to 2nd grade.
I plan to work, and I want to do a bridge program to get my master's in OT.
I definitely think I want to do pediatrics. Last week I got to work in a school setting, which I really enjoyed. So definitely I think it'll either be school setting or outpatient setting is probably what I'll end up doing.
The professors have been phenomenal. They really care about what your life is like and how they can incorporate the program into it and do the best that they can to get you through.
They show that they truly care. They care about your learning and how far you can go.
Sure, so it was our activity analysis class, which usually you just kind of break down an activity from every step and then kind of look at what skills you're using. Today I presented making a friendship bracelet, so everyone got to make a friendship bracelet and we broke it down step by step, and we all made friendship bracelets together. It was a lot of fun.
We went to Walter Reed last semester, and being able to go there and see everything that's involved with the military and the opportunities if you join the military or if you're just a civilian. The areas we learned about dog training, I believe, utilizing dogs for wounded warriors, and also prosthetics and neurological issues that they have. Everything that goes into it was really amazing, and yeah, that was really fun.